para inkraftiga. Hawak ko, ito sa sexbag, so nara, scout ka, tanya de, sexbag, traffic number 9, para inkraftiga. Hawak ko, ito sa sexbag, so nara, scout ka, tanya.
Alright people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Alright, so basically this is actually a debut reaction video of King and Busy, as in Richard King and Dwayne Atkinson. Apparently they had their debut today against Viking. Yeah, against the Viking. They play for IBV. I'm not gonna try and pronounce the full name of the club, because let me tell you something, people. I don't intend to curse any language or say anything that, because YouTube not act up from what yes. I don't really want to say nothing. I know me trying to pronounce the name of the club accurately. Me I cuss some bad word and me I go on bad, and me I get embarrassed myself. And before we do that, they say no, well, Viking is actually one of the real name, but it's actually another name added on to it. But IBV, yeah, I'm gonna stick with IBV. Alright, so as you can see from the initial opening of the video, that's just some small snippets of what happened. I was watching game today, actually. I was watching the game. No, the debut reaction. You know what? Before I do that, please, just people, our sponsors, as you can see here, can't touch it. As you can see here, people, our sponsors, as you can see here, our sponsors, Sub Sports, please go and check them out, people. Follow them on their IG page and give them the full support. You support them, you support us, so please do so. Channel members, give a shout out to our channel members, channel patrons, Raymond Austin and Ravan Bennett. You have the original Zilla, Jeremy Swaby, Rose Gold, David Beckham, Feather 5, Black Icon 40, Kyle Wallace, Liebel, Mars Enriquez, Jamil Winter, Rocco Reacts, Devon Hughes, and D. Ellisworth, Angelica Rivera, and Irene Cup are no longer with us, people. So I think there's one more, but anyways, big up to the channel members. Anyways, so people, let me tell you something. The league, alright, so let me be honest about the league. It is not of any high level. I do believe that maybe financially it could be a better package than what they have to offer here in Jamaica, but the league is not of the highest level, if I'm being honest. The intensity was not high, a lot of missed passes. The thing why it's so difficult for me is because people are going to say that because I am a supporter of the Jamaica Premier League, I do watch a lot of Jamaica Premier League. People are going to say that I'm going to be favoring the Jamaica Premier League. But in all contexts, this has nothing at all. I'm putting the Jamaica Premier League aside, and I would want you guys to watch it for yourself. I had to watch the games. I had to register. I have to register to the website. The website name is, let me give me a second. Let me see if I can remember the name of the website. The heck? I had to register to the website. Let me see where my bookmarks. Okay. 11 Sports. Yeah, 11sport.com. 11 Sport. I had to register. Yeah, I had to register to watch it. And I'm not sure, because the surface that they were playing on was really poor, people, extremely poor, and it didn't look good. The quality of the game was poor. The technical ability of the players were poor. as you can see in the initial, Busy was just running past quite a few of them. I do think that King didn't have necessarily had one of his best game. He had one and two bad moments. I think he had about two bad moments. One moment he clearly gave away the ball. Was just too comfortable on the ball, and he got picked. That was one. The next one was, what was the next one? I'm not sure. I don't remember the next one. But other than that, he actually had a fairly good game. But for the league itself, for the intensity, because you're watching European football, you're expecting to see a high level of technical ability, a high level of intensity, and that wasn't there. I didn't see that at all, and I'm not sure if this league is actually one in which the players can really further themselves on a personal level. I don't see that. I do understand that they're in Europe, so that's actually that's a positive. But other than that, it makes no sense in Europe if as a footballer you're not developing better, or you're not developing, or you're not getting better. I didn't know that I could watch a football game with scrappy, man. I've seen way better. I've seen significantly better Jamaica Premier League games than that. But certainly, I do believe that both players account of themselves quite well for the first game. Actually, they really account themselves well. First game, full 90 minutes. Both teams make changes. I thought that maybe the coach would have pulled them because in his first game, tried to bed them in a bit, but apparently the coach has high trust in them already for them to play full 90 minutes. On the first, they're actually they're how long are they there? Like about a week or so, just a week and a few days, and playing full 90 minutes already. That's interesting. That's very interesting. First match, they're in the team sheet playing full 90 minutes. That's interesting. That's one of two things. Either we're going to say the quality of the league is not that high and they are just good. There's more. They are good and they can just play, just hit the ground running right away. That's one. Two, the quality of the league is actually quite poor. That's also one. And three, what's the next one now? I don't know. There's no three. But for me personally, people, as I said, for me, I give you guys the name 11sports.com. Go and check it out first. So go and watch the game for yourself. I think the games are available there, and you will see the level for yourself. Don't take my word for it, because as I know, people are going to say me bias towards the Premier League, the Jamaica Premier League. I'm going to bias towards Jamaica Premier League. But go and watch it for yourself. And the level for me personally is not one in which I see the players really excelling at a significant level. But fortunately, they're in Europe. Hopefully, more eyes are there, and they will get the opportunity to move on to higher heights after that. Anyways, first match, definitely they lost 1-0. They lost 1-0, and that's how it is. But you could see that the team itself, there was not a lot of cohesiveness within the team. But we will keep you guys up to date if you don't get to see the game. I'll try my best to keep myself up to date with the games as well, so I can give you guys my small amount of input and then give you guys the link or whatever. You can go and check the game out for yourself. Anyways, people, please do smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time, and have a good one. Big up King and Busy. Well done on your debut, and we're definitely going to keep a track of what is going on. Bless up, people. MG Sports TV. I'm out.